Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and place limit orders on Robinhood. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So firstly, find a stock from the main investing screen, select the stock you want to trade, then simply tap on the trade button, then choose buy or sell. Then look for the order type options and choose limit. This will allow you to set a specific price instead of buying or selling at the current market price. Specify how many shares you want to buy or sell, and then enter the highest price you're willing to pay to buy or the lowest price you're willing to accept to sell. Select a price below the current market price. The order will only execute if the stock price drops to your limit price or lower. Set a price above the current market price. The order will only execute if the stock price rises to your limit price or higher. So I hope this video clarified everything about limit orders. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.